निकलते निकलते देर हुई।
वेलकम सर।
थैंक यू।
वेलकम टू
आज तो आप जो ग्रेटेड
सर।
लुकिंग हैंडसम।
थैंक यू सर।
ठीक है,
ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है।
आज तो तबीयत ठीक है आपकी?
जी जी सर।
नमस्ते।
सर डॉक्टर रिंचन डोलकर, वेजिटेबल साइंस।
कैसे हैं?
नमस्ते बेटा। सर ये हमारी फैकल्टी है, डॉक्टर पल्मो एग्रोनॉमिस्ट,
एग्रोनॉमिस्ट,
डॉक्टर मंसूर सॉइल साइंटिस्ट, डॉक्टर कौसर फातिमा पैथोलॉजिस्ट, डॉक्टर जूले एक्सटेंशन। ये सर गार्डनर हमारी।
अरे नमस्ते जूले। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अब्बास गार्डनर सर। ये हमारे लैब अटेंडेंट, ये ट्रैक्टर ड्राइवर, नाइट चौकीदार सर।
कैसे बच्चा?
ये गार्डनर, ये दिस इज आवर स्टाफ सर। ये सर हमारा डेलीपेड है। आइए आइए सर। ये बीएडी स्टूडेंट्स एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट के।
नमस्ते, कैसे हैं? कहाँ हैं विद्यार्थी लोग?
सब है सर। सब ये सर बीएडी वाले हैं। ये सर सब एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिशियल बीएडी कर रहे हैं।
नमस्ते झूले। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
ये सर स्टूडेंट शुरू हो गए बीएससी के।
कैसे बच्चा? ठीक हो? और ठंडा है बच्चे का?
ये सर सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं।
सॉरी भाई, आने में देर हुई है ना?
कोई नहीं सर। ये सर हमारे बॉयज हैं।
आफ्टरनून क्या क्या खुश हो रहे हैं? नमस्ते झूले।
अरे सारी हमारे गर्ल्स फोर्स सर।
नमस्ते बच्चा झूले। नमस्ते। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। नमस्ते बच्चा। थैंक यू झूले। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। नमस्ते। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। नमस्ते।
चलो बैठो बैठो फटाफट क्लास में। आइए सर आइए।
आओ।
चलो क्लास में बैठो।
आजा बच्चा,
सर
बहुत ठंडा है।
कस्टम प्लीज।
क्या?
सर ये हमारी
ऐसे करते हैं। आ जाओ। जिंदा रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा? बैठो।
Thank you, sir.
बच्चों को चाय हुई?
A very warm welcome to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket Kushwaha sir, and other esteemed guests to our School of Agriculture, Science and Technology family at Kargil campus. It's an absolute honor to stand before you today representing each and every member of SST Kargil. On behalf of all of us, I once again extend my heartfelt welcome and congratulations to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket Kushwaha.
Thank you.
To mark the special occasion, I now request our Chief Scientist and Head, Dr. Faizan Ahmed to present the traditional white khataks, a symbol of honor, purity and goodwill, and a small token of love to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket Kushwaha, and other esteemed guests. So please. Examination controller, University of Ladakh.
Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Saket Kushwaha, University of Ladakh, Associate Director Research, SAST Kargil, Leh, Controller Examination, University of Ladakh, In Charge Registrar, University of Ladakh, my colleague, staff and students, very good evening to all of you.
Good evening, sir.
It is my privilege and honor to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our new Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Saket Kushwaha. I, on behalf of the entire campus community, would like to express our happiness and anticipation as we look forward to flourishing under your leadership, sir. We believe your vision, experience, and commitment to excellence will guide us towards new heights in education, research, and extension. Let me give you a brief of this particular station. This campus was formerly part of SCOST Kashmir as a research wing known as the Mountain Agriculture Research and Extension Station, and that is MARES, which was established by SCOST K in the year 1989, sir.
I, Adya Batul, student of first year BSc Agriculture, feel honored to extend a heartfelt welcome to you on behalf of the School of Agriculture, Science and Technology, Kargil campus. We are truly grateful for your esteemed presence at our campus. Sir, it is a matter of great pride that for the first time in the history of Union Territory of Ladakh, the University of Ladakh has introduced a professional course of BSc Agriculture Honours. We, the student of BSc Agriculture Kargil, sincerely thank the University of Ladakh for giving us the incredible opportunity to pursue our education in our hometown.
I would not talk much on what I just would like to congratulate number one all the students of BSc Agriculture. I am very happy that Kargil campus of BSc Agriculture has the largest number of students, and most of the students are women, sir. This is a real example of women emancipation, women empowerment. And then number two, I also would like to congratulate Dr. Faizan that he has handled and then he has taken care of you, all of you very well. And Dr. Faizan के साथ हमारा बहुत अच्छा रिश्ता भी रहा in the field of administration, क्योंकि जब ये BSc Agriculture हम जो इसके बारे में बातचीत चल रहे थे और जब SCOST कश्मीर से एग्रीकल्चर जो ये जो हमें सेंटर्स मिल रहे थे,
बहुत ही शानदार और जानदार तरीके से डिसिप्लिन आपको बता दिया. So it has to be 100%, that's for sure, and I'm also into that it should be 100%. And I believe the way Faizan sir आप लोगों की तारीफ करते हैं, जिस तरह से जो BSc के जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके बारे में बार बार, in fact last time when I came here he was of all praise and praise and praise and nothing else. In fact I'm extremely sorry that particular day I couldn't meet you, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो incomplete था, so I couldn't meet you then. But then मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि जिस तरह से फैज़ान सर आपकी तारीफ करता है कि you must be 100% disciplined.
डॉक्टर फैज़ान और जो इनके फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं जो नए एफिशिएंट, जिनके बारे में चार चांद इन्होंने पहले बोला है, तो मैं दिल के गहराइयों से आपको एक तो नए कुलपति पद के लिए मुबारकबाद देता हूँ सर. और राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर डॉक्टर फैज़ान एंड हिज टीम ऑफ learned scientists.
I extend my greetings, Julie. Assalamu alaikum. Namaskar. Good evening. I was very happy the way the representative from BSc Agriculture, and he was also very humble, very precise greeting, and he has no demand. So let me start like this. That this morning only we have decided that the office which we have here, just up there, from tomorrow onward, we are going to bring out a notice that all the staff who are working there, except one person, after signing the register, all of them will come here and assist this center in the way you want them to assist. So that will be. I feel that very soon that incomplete building, with the help of Dr. Faizan, we are going to discuss, and then we are going to complete that building, no matter what happens. Then we are going to have some space for laboratory. Already, Star has just informed us that e-tendering is done for the prefab building or not?
Yes.
It is done, so very soon they are going to start by July. I think it will be ready. I promise that there must be a canteen. I do agree. So that canteen issue will be addressed very soon. And then we also have cook over there. So they will start preparing food, whatever will be on payment basis. The rate could be finalized with the help of Ladakh University and the rate which is prevailing here. So that can be done. That is not a big issue.
I, Kausar Fatima, Assistant Professor, here to propose formal vote of thanks on the behalf of School of Agriculture, Science and Technology, Kargil campus. First and foremost, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket Kushwaha sir, for gracing us today with your presence and for generously giving us your valuable time. We, the faculty of SAST, is very enthusiastic to work under your leadership and guidance, sir. I would like to take the opportunity to thank Dr. Durje Namgyal, sir, Associate Director, SAST, for your time-to-time guidance, sir. We are also deeply grateful to our Controller of Examination, University of Ladakh, Professor Deshkyung Namgyal, sir, for your valuable support and academic guidance for the smooth functioning of School of Agriculture. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Shri Nawab Tundu, Registrar, University of Ladakh, for gracing the occasion with your presence. Your significant contribution in the establishing the School of Agriculture, Science and Technology in both campuses, as well as in initiating the BSc Agriculture course in such a short time, has been truly commendable, sir. At last, I would like to thank our head, Dr. Faizan sir, for your guidance to facilitate faculty and school for its proper functioning. I would like to thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff of SAST Kargil and the student and BAT trainee. Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, we all staff and student of SAST Kargil are thankful that you visited our campus. We welcome you as our new Vice Chancellor. Sir, our best wishes are with you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you all. Thank you.
साग बना के खाते हैं कैसे?
हाँ सर, वैसे ही
साग कैसे? अच्छा, काले केल से केल
हाँ सर, ये भी बंद करेंगे।